Hello everyone, this is our FPGA project 4-bit calculator. These are the two inputs here on the FPGA board. This is the first input, which is the 4 bits, and this is the second input, which are these are the 4 bits. And these connections are required for division, and these are the selected modes. So we have basic arithmetic operations from addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So if I want to add two numbers, for example I want to add 10 and 10. So here I will give the first input. The first input would be, this is the 10 and the plus 10, so it would be this and this. And as you can see here, we have to read this is the MSB and this is the LSB, so we have to go there, and this is the addition, which is 20.
So now we are going to implement subtraction using FPGA. So if we want to change modes, we have to give the select input high. So for addition it was decimal 1, for subtraction it is decimal 2, for multiplication decimal 3 and division decimal 4. So now I have given decimal 2, which is 0, 0, 1, 0 in binary, and now we will give some two numbers. Let's see. 10 minus 5, so 1 0 1 0, this is 10, and minus 5 0 1 0 1. So as you can see, 0 1 0 1, this is the output of subtraction. As you can see, it is working.
Okay, so now we will be doing the multiplication operation. So for multiplication I am changing the modes to 1 1. Now I have done this code to multiplication. Now let's do the operation. Now basically I am taking two inputs, which is 12 and 10. So 12 I am taking here as 1 1 0 0 and 10 as 1 0 1 0. So as you can see now from the output, it is coming as 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0, which is 120 in decimal.
So I will be explaining the division operation. So basically first we have to change the select bits to 4 in decimal. So right now it's 0 0 1 1. So changing that back to 0 0 0 0 and changing that to 4. This is 4. Now it is in division mode. So what I'll do basically right now is I'll divide two numbers. Now since this is 0 0 and 0 by 0 is cannot be possible, so that is what is showing a saved state. So what I'll do is I'll divide 3 by 5. So this is 3 1 1 0 0 1 1 and 5 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1. So 5 by 3 3 by 5 is basically 0.6. This is 0 over here, this is the LSB 0, and this is the MSB over here 0 1 1 0 6, and this is also 0 0.60. So now this is the division mode. Now going to the clear mode. Clear mode is decimal 5. So 4 and 1, it will clear everything. Everything is clear.